Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 8.5 question number 7. Ravi purchased 5 kg 400 gram rice, 2 kg 20 gram sugar and 10 kg 850 gram flour. Find the total weight of his purchases. Right. What if we do? We have to change all these into the same unit. One is 5 kg 400 gram 5 kg 400 gram. We know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram 1000 gram, or you can write 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg, and 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kg. That is, to convert gram to kg, you have to divide that by 1000, right? So here you see 5 kg 400 gram is 5.400 kg, right? Next one is 2 kg 20 gram sugar. 2 kg 20 gram sugar. We will convert into kg, that is 2.020 kg, right? Next one is 10 kg 850 gram flour, right? That is 10 kg. We'll add all the numbers. 10 kg 850 gram 850 gram. This is gram. We'll rub this one. Okay. Now again 850 gram, that is equal to 10 point, this is point, right? This is point 10.850 kg, right? If we add all the numbers, what you are getting, you see that this is 0, 5 plus 2 is 7, 8 plus 4 is 12, 2, carry 1, 5 plus 1 6, 7 8, 1, that is 18.270 kg, or it can be also written as 18 kg 270 gram, right? Now find the total weight of his purchases. Therefore the answer is, the total weight of his purchases is 18 kg 270 gram. This is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.